just means fulfilled by Amazon.
Amazon FBA is a way for you to make money off of Amazon. It's where you can sell a product on Amazon, but Amazon will store your product in their warehouse, and when you get an order, Amazon will ship it out.
Here is the complete course of Amazon FBA. Keep watching. Course description. How many of you want to make money through Amazon business, but don't find the right way to do it because of lack of knowledge and experience? You worry how people make millions of dollars through Amazon, right? Do you have the craze to be one of them? Yes. So, let's begin. Here in this course, I will teach you the whole process of Amazon FBA private label business, from basic to advanced. You'll be able to learn what actually private label business is and why it is considered as the best Amazon business model and how it works. You'll know how to find a product which you can sell and make good profits. I will teach you how and where to find suppliers and negotiate with them for better prices. You'll learn how to make an Amazon account. You'll know how to create listings for your product. PPC is one of the technical subjects. When you learn it from me, you'll say it's a piece of cake. You'll learn how to finally launch the product and scale your business. After taking this course, you'll be able to handle your Amazon business like a cup of tea. Warning, please note that this business is only for those who can show patience and not live in fantasies of making $1 million in one night. Learn and be patient. Let's start. What is Amazon private label? Private labeling for Amazon FBA means you start selling products of your choice with your own label on the Amazon marketplace. After sourcing and detail studying a product and its market, you contact product suppliers or manufacturers directly. They make the product for you under your brand name, the quantity you want, and cost decided. The manufacturer will then ship the product ready to sell to Amazon. See how to create an Amazon account. The first step towards entering into any online platform is to register yourself there. Same is the case with Amazon, but it is a little different and tricky than making an account on other platforms because here you are gonna do business. Making a seller account on Amazon is different from making a buyer account. Here is checklist of required details for account creation. Number 1. Business information. Your legal business name, address, and contact information. Number 2. Email address. You should have an email address that is already set for receiving emails. Number 3. Credit card. You are required to attach an internationally chargeable credit card with a valid billing address. Amazon will cancel your registration in case of invalid credit card number. Number 4. Phone number. Put a phone number through which you will confirm your registration. Number 5. Tax ID. Your tax identity information, including your social security number or your company's federal tax ID number. Number 6. State tax ID. State tax ID information for states in which you have a tax nexus. After knowing all these, you can go to sellercentral.amazon.com and register yourself as a seller. After account creation, click on Learn More. After searching this link and go to the bottom and click on See Pricing, you'll be directed to a new tab where you can see pricing and features of individual and professional selling plans. I will suggest you to create your account with an individual selling plan and then upgrade to professional once you start your business. And now, how to find supplier on Alibaba. There are many places where you can find suppliers, but the easiest one and preferable is Alibaba. I am sharing a criteria with you which you need to keep in mind while contacting suppliers. They should have trade assurance. They should be verified on Alibaba. Spent more than 2 years on Alibaba. Have 2 or more gems. Review rating more than 4.7. Lowest MOQ minimum order quantity. How to contact supplier on Alibaba.com and Request for quotation. Let me show you. Creating RFQ. Request for quote. Create your RFQ which you will be sending to those suppliers which you have finalized. I am showing a sample which you can customize and send to the supplier for your product. Hello, good day. I hope you are doing great. I'm Jed, an owner of a US-based company. We are looking to purchase 10,000 steel glasses for our business to sell locally. Please find attached details for your reference. We estimate our annual purchase volume for this product will be around 50,000. Watch part 2 video on my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video.